Very bad application.
He's calming down. She's only getting going down already. She's all just like getting going down.
I use the restroom actually. Let me see if there is a restroom. I'm gonna ask them about it, okay? That there's no restroom. Oh, that's good. Broccos and pickles that are fries. Baby care. So they use the baby scale.
Kitties did a great job, and now they're willingly taking it in work. Man, good job. Good job. Nice. The Pickles is walking. Yeah, nice job. No, it wasn't their front paw. They're completely calm. Good job. He's picking his tail up. Good, nice job. And normal after that. Good job, kitties.